So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to create a Genshin Impact account. So I'll be doing this from the app, and if you don't have the app, the first thing you need to do is go to your phone's App Store, Apple App Store for iPhone users, and the Google Play Store for Android users. So simply go there and then find the Genshin Impact application or the game, and make sure you install that game. It's free to install. So once you do that, you can now go ahead and launch the app. And with the app launched, you should see this login page. Now, in case this page does not appear, maybe it's covered like that, then you need to tap on this little button in the bottom right corner. Tap on that, and this sign up page will appear. Now, on the sign up page, this is basically, first of all, it's a login page, not a sign up page, where you enter your username and password and then tap on login. But since we don't have an account and we're just trying to create one, here's what you're going to do. So right here, there's a small link that says register now, right here, as you can see. So tap on that. And when you tap on that, it should take you to the sign up page. There you go. So let's go ahead and register with our email address. Then go ahead and enter your password. Then re-enter that password. And then go ahead and tap on I have read and agreed to terms of service. And then hit register. And once you do that, they're going to send a verification code to that email address that you put in. So go to that email. So simply tap on send. Let me do that again. Tap on send. And it's going to bring up this verification captcha code. So go ahead and do that. Tap OK. And then the verification code will now be sent to your email. And as you can see, we have it right here. So I'll just enter it just like that, and then tap on done. Now that everything is in place, I'll simply tap on register once again. And that's it. We've now created the account. And now all you need to do is simply log in. So I'll just enter my password and log in straight away. It's going to recommend passwords for me, but obviously I already have my own password, so I'll just enter it. So I'll simply enter it and log in. Now again, there's going to be a captcha code. Slide to complete the puzzle. So I'll just slide. Oh, what are we doing? There you go. Save the password, yes. Then you have to agree to these terms. Accept. Choose your location. I'll choose whatever it gives me. That's fine. And that's it. You can now start the game. And that's basically how to create that account and also log in on your mobile device. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.